All right. On a vacation in Disney Jamba House with the family. So this will just be a real short video, just not me talking, for my millions of viewers out there, for you to see the animals. With my wife is actually behind the camera instead of my son, because everybody knows I'm a stay-at-home dad. There you go. It's quiet now. For some reason, they don't have the animals out super early. And we've got to figure out why. We've been here before, but the animals don't come out till real late. I think the Red River hogs come out like 9, and then normally there's animals, if you want to point in the back, normally all the animals are kept in the cages overnight, but last night there was hardly any animals. So I don't know if it was veterinarian day or what. But this is a nice view. I mean, yeah, beach view, mountain view is awesome, but how many can really experience a view like this? Oh, here's my director. You want to get on camera, buddy?
Hello.
Most of you know him as behind the camera. He's normally videotaping behind the camera, but nice view. Oh, there's some animals. They're all moving. Akani? Okay. Thornton, you want to say goodbye to everybody? Anyway, we'll have a few more videos up later on. But anyway, there'll be several Disney links in this.